Why should you consider studying engineering in the UK? First, a short history. The UK is a pioneer in engineering. Let's see some examples. In the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution began in Britain. Engineers like James Watt with the steam engine, Isambard Kingdom Brunel with the railways and ships, and George Stephenson with the locomotive, transforming society. In the 19th century, there was an expansion of civil infrastructure, including bridges, canals, tunnels, railways, along with industrial manufacturing and electrical engineering. For the 20th century, there were advances in aviation, nuclear power, electronics, and computing. UK firms became leaders in aerospace and automotive design. And now in the 21st century, there is a focus on renewable energy, AI, robotics, and sustainable engineering solutions. As you can see, the UK has been at the cutting edge of engineering design since the beginning. What kind of engineering degrees can you study in the UK? UK universities offer a wide range of engineering disciplines. Some of the main types are civil engineering, which covers areas like infrastructure design, bridges, roads, tunnels, buildings, and water systems. Mechanical engineering, including machines, engines, robotics, and manufacturing. Electrical and electronic engineering deals with areas such as power systems, electronics, communications, and control systems. Chemical engineering, process industries, energy, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology. Aerospace engineering, with areas such as aircraft, spacecraft, propulsion systems, and aerodynamics. Biomedical engineering covering subjects such as medical devices, prosthetics, and healthcare technology. Environmental engineering deals with areas such as sustainability, waste management, and renewable energy. Materials engineering to help understand the development of metals, polymers, composites, and nanomaterials. And finally, industrial manufacturing engineering. This covers ideas like supply chains and production optimization. As you can see, there is a large range of choices. Why study engineering in the UK? Global reputation. UK universities, for example, Cambridge, Imperial, Manchester, Bristol, are world leaders in engineering. Accreditation. Degrees are often accredited by professional bodies like the Institution of Mechanical Engineers or the Institution of Civil Engineers and others. The goal is to achieve Chartered Engineer status, which is internationally recognised around the world. Innovation. UK engineers have contributed to breakthroughs from the Industrial Revolution to modern AI, renewable energy, and aerospace. Industry links, strong partnerships with companies such as Rolls-Royce, BP, Siemens, BAE Systems, Arup, and Jaguar Land Rover. Employability. Engineering graduates are in demand worldwide. Structure of typical engineering courses. A typical bachelor's or master's in engineering lasts 3-4 years. The subjects you will study usually include topics such as Year 1 to 2 core subjects such as mathematics, physics, computing, mechanics, thermodynamics, materials science, electrical engineering, aeronautical engineering, and design projects. These will vary across each type of degree. Year 3, typically an industrial placement. Year 4, specialization. Students focus on their branch, civil, mechanical, aerospace, etc. Group design projects, labs, and simulations. Advanced modules plus major research project. Specific universities will have their own variations of these courses and others as well. Industrial placements. Many UK engineering degrees include a sandwich year or year in industry, often paid. Students work with leading firms like Rolls-Royce, BP, Airbus, or Siemens. Provides real-world experience, professional networks, and enhances employability. There are different levels of study. 1. The first includes bachelor's and undergraduate masters in engineering degrees. These typically take for a bachelor's 3 years, England, Wales, 4 years, Scotland. For the undergraduate integrated masters, 4 years, England, Wales, 5 years, Scotland. Often required for Chartered Engineer status. 2. Then there are Masters of Science and Research degrees. 1 year, full-time. These degrees are more specialised. For example, Master of Science in Renewable Energy, Master of Science in Structural Engineering. There is a strong research or industry focus with these degrees. 3. doctoral degrees such as Doctor of Engineering or Doctor of Philosophy. A PhD is normally 3 or 4 years, research-focused, producing a thesis in a niche field. An NG, also 3 to 4 years, is equivalent to a PhD, but with more industry involvement, often including placements with industrial partners. As you can see, there is a wide range of engineering degrees to study in the UK. If you have any questions about studying engineering in the UK, then do not hesitate to book a free assessment with us. Book an appointment using the details shown,